Hello, sir. I am unable to.
So, and logical operator. And this is, it returns true if all the conditions are satisfied. It returns true if all the conditions are satisfied. Write a query below this and logical operator. Write few queries. Write a query to display. Write a query to display details of the employees, details of the employees who are working as a salesman. Write a query to display details of the employees who are working as a salesman in in department number 30. I'll repeat the query. Write a query to display details of employees who are working as a salesman in department number 30. Any answer? Any answer?
Select star from employee.
Select star from employee EMP.
EMP. Where
Where depart number is equal to 30 and working is equal to salesman.
We are working as a salesman.
where
Where
like job equal to salesman,
in the post salesman.
salesman and department number equal
Yes,
department number equal to 30.
okay. It is. See, the query is people should be working as a salesman and especially in department number 30. Both the conditions should be satisfied. So that we have two conditions here, multiple conditions. So we have read that where clause. In where clause, we can write condition, either one condition or we can write multiple conditions using logical operator and or not. So this is one way to use a logical operator, that is and, when we are when we want to satisfy multiple conditions. We have two conditions here. The first condition is the job should be salesman, and I'm using and here. So if I'm using and, so whatever the number of conditions we are giving, all the conditions should be satisfied. For example, if I make it 20, if I make it to 20, working as a salesman in department number 20, no, because there are no employees who are working as a salesman in department number 20. Condition not satisfied. There should be department number 30, and in that department number 30, there should be some salesman. Department number 30, and in that department number 30, there should be salesman. Both the conditions should be satisfied. We have salesman, but here it is 20. I have given the department number 20. I'm using and here. First condition is satisfied, but the second condition is not satisfied. Even if one condition doesn't satisfy, consider I'm giving 10 conditions. From those 10 conditions, 9 conditions are satisfied. Only one condition is not satisfied. Even we don't get the output. So that's what and says it returns true. That means it gives the output if all the conditions are satisfied. That means whatever the number of times we'll be using and so on so and so on so and so on so condition, all those and conditions should be satisfied. Even if one doesn't satisfy, no output. So copy this. We'll solve a few more queries. Copy this. I'll repeat the query again. Write a query to display details of the employees who are getting salary greater than 2000 in department number 20. Any answer?
Select star from
Select the star
Star.
from EMP
Okay.
where
Okay.
where sal greater
Shall
than
greater than
2000 and
And
department number is equal to 20.
20.
department number is equal to 20. So satisfied. So there are three people. There are three people who are getting salary greater than 3,000, greater than 2,000 in depart number 20. Copy this. Operator. Now make a next subheading or logical operator. Or. And this says it returns true if any one of the conditions is satisfied. Even if one condition is satisfied, consider we are giving 10 conditions. And from those 10 conditions, only one condition is satisfied. So only that one condition, the satisfied one will be given as an output. The remaining 9 can be skipped. But with respect to AND operator, even if 9 conditions are satisfied, but just one condition is not satisfied, even if one doesn't satisfy, no output for the remaining. But here, if 9 conditions are also not satisfied, only one condition is satisfied. For that one condition, the output will be given. So, OR logical operator, it returns true if any one of the condition is, if even any one of the condition is satisfied. So copy a query based on this. Write a query to display. Write a query to display details of the employees. Write a query to display details of the employees who are working as a salesman, or make it as working as an analyst, who are working as an analyst or working in department number 30. I'll repeat the query. Write a query to display details of the employees who are working as an analyst, or working in department number 30. Any answer?
select a star from EMB where job equal to analyst, where
Where
job equal to
job
equal to
single coded,
single quotes
yes,
analyst or
analyst
um,
or
or department number equal to 30.
the number is equal to 30. See here, either department number 30 or job as analyst. We have department number 30 also, we have analyst also. See, the people whoever working in department number 30, their details is also retrieved. So I'll repeat, where job is equal to analyst. I want the details of the employees who are working as an analyst or who are working in department number 30. Yes, I have people who are working in department number 30 also, and also the people who are working as analyst, both. Both the conditions are satisfied. But in case, if I make it 40, we have just got 2 analysts because only one condition is satisfied. The first condition is satisfied and the second condition is not satisfied because we don't have department number 40 in the employee table. So it is ignored. From those 2 conditions, only one condition is satisfied and that condition is given as an output. And the second one, which is not satisfied, that will be ignored. So, but here with respect to these query, both the conditions are satisfied. Either analyst or department. Find either this one or this one, but the compiler found the both and will give the output for both. Whoever working in department number 30, their details is also retrieved, and whoever working as an analyst, their details is also retrieved. Copy this. Copy one more query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display details of the employees. Details of the employees who are getting salary greater than 3,000. Details of the employees who are getting salary greater than 3,000 or the employees should be working as a clerk. Write a query to display details of the employees who are getting salary greater than 3,000 or the employees should be working as a clerk. Any answer?
Select star from EMB where sal
For greater than 3,000.
Greater
excuse
than 3,000 or
or job equal to
plus.
Equal to single quoted clerk. Job equal to single quoted clerk. Yes, this is the answer. Copy this. One last query based on OR operator. Write a query to display name and department number of employees. Name and department number of employees who are working in department number 10, 20, 30. I'll repeat. Write a query to display name and department number of employees who are working in department number 10, 20, 30. Any answer?
select ename
Select name, comma, department number
Department number.
from EMC,
Okay.
where department number is equal to 10
Equals to 10.
or department number is equal to 20.
Why it is or?
But sorry, and
No. It is or, correct. See, department number 10, 20, 30.
20, comma 30.
Which means either department number 10 or 20 or 30. So comma indicates or operator. Or
Okay.
department
Our
number.
department number is equal to 30.
So name and department number of employees who are working in department number 10 or 20 or 30. So copy this. Make a small heading, again subheading, not logical operator. Not. And it says it is an inverse operator. It is an inverse operator. The selected values gets rejected. The selected one gets rejected. So make a heading, not logical operator. And copy two queries based on this. Write a query to display. Write a query to display. Name, comma job. Write a query to display. Name, comma job, and department number of employees. Name, comma job, and a department number of employees who are not working in department number 20. I'll repeat the query. Write a query to display name and a department number of employees who are not working in department number 20. So the query says, I want the name, job, and department number of employees, but not the people who are working in department number 20. Any answer? Select. Any answer? Select. Name, comma, job, comma. I'm audible? Nitya?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. So the query is write a query to display name, comma, job, and department number of employees, but who are not working in department number 20. I don't want the name and job and the department number of employees from department number 20. I don't want that. Except that I want the remaining. So for that sake, it's very simple. Name, comma, job, comma, department from EMP, where not department number.
Department number equal 20.
See, previously what we used to do in case if they ask like details of the employees who are working in department number 20, who are working in department number 20. So what we used to do? So where department number is equal to 20, but not a department number in 20. Very simple, I mean, not department. Whatever you select, that will be rejected. See here, we have only department number 10 and 30. Only department number 10 and 30 because not. It says it is an inverse operator. What is inverse operator? The selected values will get rejected. So we have selected this 20 and that was rejected. That is rejected. Copy this. Not. Copy one last query. Write a query to display. Write a query to display details of the employees. Details of the employees who are not working as a manager. Write a query to display details of the employees who are not working as a manager. Who are not working as a manager. So the query is, I want the details of the employees, but not manager. Except manager, I want everybody's. Any answer? Select. Select.
select star
Select
Star.
star
from EMD where
EMD.
where not
Not job is equal to manager.
to manage.
Single coded manager. See, I don't have manager here. So it was very simple. This is the syntax like the one which we used to write previously. But the only thing is before job, before department, or before anything, we have to specify not. Not a job is equal to so and so. Not a department is equal to so and so. Not salary is equal to so and so. Whatever you specify before the column name as not, that column will be rejected. That particular value will be rejected. See here we have given the not job is equal to manager. Except manager, I want the details of the remaining people. So not the selected one gets rejected. Copy this.